Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, and this time for tuning into my 3041st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, it's Sunday evening, and I was going to take the evening off as far as videos were concerned and start them on Monday night this week. But the crude has gone crazy, and I see traders in my trading room. It looks like they're getting a little nervous. So let me address this issue of crude oil, the big gorilla out there right now. Crude oil, once it gets past 77, 78, it just crushes the stock market, which is happening right now. No need to even show you a chart of it. S&P getting hammered at the moment. Crude oil exploded this afternoon, traded up to about 110, 111, and I thought maybe I should do a video. Started working on the video. By the time I went to put it out, it already hit 116. The reason why I wanted to put out the video is to tell you we had a target of 120, but maybe by the time I print this video, it could be higher than that. In any event, 120 first target in crude oil. It's been to 130.50 not too long ago. But here's what I want to tell you. This is for trading on March 9th, 2026 and forward from there as far as crude is concerned. Remember how risky crude, forget about crude trading. Everything's risky, but look at the size of this bar right here. Imagine being short this without a stop. Crude, all trading, extremely, extremely risky. Always put your protective stops in first before you enter into a position that can wipe out the average trader's account times 2. Make sure you put your stops in first. Now let's talk. This is crude oil. This is your monthly bar of crude oil. It's been all the way up here at some point near 147, 148. That was, 2009 during the 2008-9 crash. Next time it rallied, got all the way to 130.50. Down we went to maybe 54. Now we have a 120 target. We've hit 115 and change, 116 already. And here's what I want to tell you. This is temporary. It is temporary. It is temporary. This is temporary. Here's why. We've got plenty of crude. There is no shortage of crude. There is no shortage of refineries that can handle crude. Shale didn't go away. Crude didn't dry up. It's stuck in one place. It can't go. It can't get through the Strait of Hormuz. As soon as that opens up, which will not be long from now, this recedes. When we had these last two problems, this one back here, let me grab something. This one back here, the world collapsed financially, right? We had our meltdown 2008-9. Crude went that high. This was during COVID. Crude went that high. All right, it had major reasons. This is because the straits are being blocked, because right now, ships are a little afraid to go through there, and who could blame them? How long do you think that could possibly last? That's going to open in no time, and this is going to recede back down. So don't freak out. And look, there is, I guess, that target too. Let's see what that number is. That number is 124, 125, right around there. 124 and a half to 125. If we get past my 120 mark, probably just to use simple technical analysis, trend line starts here, hits there. Likelihood is that will be our next target if we get past my 120 sitting up here. But doesn't matter how high we go, if you've got staying power, you can wait it out, do some options trading if you want. I am not telling you to do anything here, but stand aside. Point is, if you just wait a little bit, this straight's going to open. There's no shortage of crude. The crude will recede. That will buoy the stock market back up, and this whole thing will come to an end. So don't go crazy. Yes, this is a situation. Yes, the stock market is spiraling right now. Yes, crude is way higher than the price. That is equilibrium for the stock market crude. Crude like this, stock market like that. There's no way to change it. But crude won't stay that way because it's not quite a fundamental issue. It's not about whether or not we're running out of crude. It's not about whether or not there's enough to meet demand. None of that has anything to do with why the price is spiking. It is a temporary blockage of a canal. I promise you when that opens, this comes to an end. What we're going to get is a very good chance to buy into the stock market again at a much more advantageous price. Thank you to this crude spike, and you'll be happy by the end of this year that you did such a thing. So slightly longer term analysis on this. This will come to an end, but we do have that 120 target, and then whatever, 125-ish right here, and then whatever it wants to do, it'll do. Remember this statement. This isn't temporary. This is temporary. As soon as the Strait of Hormuz opens, the price of crude recedes. There is no shortage. There is no panic. The world is awash of crude. Traders, there's something else just fantastic going on. Remember in the last few videos I showed you that bull flag after bull flag on the Omni trading token? Then I showed you that we were in a pennant flag right here just 2 days ago. Look at the breakout of this pennant flag. God bless you Omniacs around the world that are getting in. Someone literally wrote me an email and said, Oscar, I literally have to go away on vacation. I got to sell off a couple of my coins. Sorry about this. As soon as he sold them, Omniacs from around the world came in and bought them from him. He has no chance to get them back at this price again. Good job, Omniacs. That's the way this works. You cannot short this coin. You've got to sell out what you've already owned, and Omniacs are smart, and they're coming right in and buying up those loose coins when they see them. I did the same myself, by the way, Omniacs. I bought at least 2 or 3 times. The other thing I did is I hired 5 influencers in the last 48 hours. Some of them I hired 2 times in a row to keep it going because they're that good. And there's a lot of new Omniacs joining the Omni token. It's still cheap right now, traders. We've got Omniacs all over the world just starting to set up accounts to get in. Grab your Omni token. You can buy it right at Coinbase. Omniacs Unite. You can buy it at Pump.Fun. You can buy it at DexScreen. You can buy it in lots of places. MEXC. It's all over. But you'd be safest, I would think, if you bought it at Coinbase, right? I would think that's the safest place because the government thinks it's too big to fail. Whatever that is, it is. But that would be a safe place to buy it. Anyway, what you got to do is be safe on the internet, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. Below this video is my coin address. Use my coin address, copy paste it. When you go to Coinbase or any other platform to buy this, make sure you use that coin address. Now, Coinbase has advanced, where everything turns, your screen turns black, advanced mode. If you go into advanced mode, you will not find the Omni token when you search, no matter how you search for it, even with my token address. Come out of advanced mode, you will find the Omni token right there and buyable. If you are in advanced mode, and that's what that's, by the way, your cell phones are in advanced mode. Just take it out of advanced mode for a moment. You can buy your Omni token, go back into advanced mode. That's Coinbase. Everyone else, Omniacs around the world, congratulations. We're doing great with our coin. Hold tight. Do what you're doing. I buy when I see new whales come in to welcome them. You buy when just a little bit. Buy a little bit when you see new whales come in and welcome them, and their friends will join us. God bless everyone out there in the Omni token. I know we're helping people all over the world. We couldn't ask for a better situation. You Omniacs are literally connected, collectively helping people that you don't even know all over the world. You are doing a great job. Pat yourselves on the back, Omniacs. What more could you ask for? Buy into the token, help people around the world. I haven't sold a single token. I haven't made a thin dime doing this. I'm holding up the fort for everybody. Please go ahead, help the rest of the world who's involved in this, help their lives be better. If you can afford it, you buy your tokens and hold them and you buy more, and I'll do the same, and people around the world will really benefit. And when the Omni token reaches a specific level, which I believe me, I've got calculated, it wouldn't hurt the token at all if we started to rotate out and take some profits. Our first-time holders, the people that got in early. So sit tight. When that coin reaches a certain level, I promise, my Omniacs, your friends, your family, your people have been following me forever. I promise to tell you when we reach that level. Get your Omni tokens. Get them now. Buy them on Coinbase. Thank you for everything you do. Don't sweat the crude. If you're not short crude, you're safe. Don't worry about it. Yes, the price of gas is going to go up a little for now. This is temporary. Don't lose your shirts on this. All right. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, stop soar in. Emotions are our traders, be careful out there. Grab your Omni tokens and remember, put your stops in first. Stay safe. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and share these videos and please subscribe.